Alright, we're out here today, and what's the real feel today?
I think it's 0 right now.
Real feel of like 0, heading into Century 2 home show to support local, one specific local booth. Who's it gonna be? Alright guys, I'm here at the booth, the one booth I came to see. Now it's time to reveal. Boom. The best photographer in the world.
I'll take it.
Mickey Shannon. Mickey, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good?
Good.
So we're here at the Wichita Waba?
Wow, I think that's my first mistake, yeah.
Home show in Mickey's booth. This is my first time I've gotten to go visit your booth in person. It is, guys. It's absolutely unreal. So get out here. I'm going to do some quick shots here of just the beautifulness of it. That's the word, right?
Sure, yeah.
Yes.
We'll run with it.
And you need to get out here. It's still open for 3 more days after today.
Until Sunday.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So come see Mickey. Support local guys. One of the best landscape photographers in the nation is here in Wichita. So come check out his stuff. You guys definitely have to get out here. Can't tell you how unbelievable some of these photos are and how ridiculously clear they are. Hard to explain without seeing in person how absolutely gorgeous these photos are in person. Before I leave, I totally forgot. Not only are we here with Mickey today, but it is Mickey's birthday, and he's so excited to get to spend it with me with my camera, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sing happy birthday to him now. You ready? No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, good.
Nobody wants to see that. You don't want to see that. Happy birthday.